Hey there guys, Chris here, and in this video we're going to discuss how to create a landing page in Mailchimp. If you're new to Mailchimp, don't worry, we'll start from the beginning. Mailchimp is a popular marketing platform that helps you connect with your audience, build campaigns, and drive sales. In this tutorial, we'll take you on a step-by-step guide to get you started with Mailchimp. We'll begin with the basics, explaining how to get started with the platform, followed by an overview of the dashboard and its features. The main focus of the video will be creating a landing page in Mailchimp. By the end of the video, you'll have all the tools and knowledge to create your own landing page using Mailchimp. So, let's get started. To get started with Mailchimp, the first step is to visit their official website at mailchimp.com. Once on the home page of the website, click on the Sign Up button to begin creating your account. This will take you to a page where you can select a plan that suits your needs. For this tutorial, we'll be using the free plan, so click on the Sign Up for Free button to continue. This will take you to the Sign Up page where you'll need to provide some basic information. Fill out the required details and complete the sign up process. Once you sign up for your new Mailchimp account, you'll be taken directly to your account dashboard, and this is where you'll be able to start exploring and using all of the features that Mailchimp has to offer. The Mailchimp dashboard is a central hub of your marketing efforts, providing a comprehensive overview of your campaigns, audiences, and analytics. The left menu is divided into several sections, each with its own unique features and functions. Starting with the campaigns section, this is where you'll create and manage your email campaigns. You can monitor performance metrics like open rates and click rates and track customer engagement to see how your audience is responding to your messages. This section is all about creating and managing your email campaigns and tracking their success. Next up is the automation section, where you can set up automated workflows, customer journeys, and popular pre-built journeys. This section is all about streamlining your marketing efforts and making it easier to reach your audience at the right time. You can also set up transaction emails, which are triggered by specific actions or events. The audience section is where you'll manage your audiences, including all contacts, sign-up forms, tags, segments, surveys, subscriber preferences, and inbox. This section is all about understanding and engaging with your audience and making sure you're reaching the right people with the right messages. The analytics section is where you'll review data on campaign performance, including marketing dashboards, reports, and customer reports. This section focuses on monitoring your progress and utilizing data to enhance your marketing strategies effectively. The website section is where you'll manage your website content, settings, and reports. This section's all about customizing your website and making sure it's working seamlessly with your marketing campaigns. The content section is where you'll store and organize your marketing assets, including images, videos, and other content. You can also access templates and designs from here, making it easy to create professional-looking campaigns. Finally, the integration section is where you'll connect Mailchimp with other tools such as e-commerce platforms, CRMs, and more. This section is all about syncing data and enhancing your marketing capabilities as a whole. By connecting Mailchimp with other tools, you can streamline your workflow and make it easier to reach your audience across multiple channels. Now that you're familiar with the Mailchimp interface, let me show you how you can create a landing page with Mailchimp. To create a landing page in Mailchimp, start by clicking on the Create button at the top left menu. This will open up a menu with three options: design email, create journey, and build a landing page. Since this tutorial is focused on landing pages, select the Build Landing Page option and click on it. Next, enter a name for your landing page and select the audience you want to target. Once you've done this, click on the Begin option to proceed, and now you'll need to select a template for your landing page. Browse through the available options and choose the one that best meets your needs. For this tutorial, we'll select the second template, Promote Products. This will take us to the editor where we can customize the landing page to our liking. Once you're in the editor, you'll see that the template is fully customizable and editable. You can change the layout, add or remove elements, and modify the content that suits your needs. We'll guide you through the process of customizing the template so that you can create a landing page that effectively promotes your products or services. The top section of the landing page is known as the header section. To customize this section, simply hover over the image and options will appear at the bottom left side. By clicking on the image option, you can change the header image to better suit your brand or message. If you click on the image option, you'll be taken to another page where you can upload an image from your computer by clicking the Upload button at the top right side. Alternatively, you can use a link to import an image for your landing page by clicking the drop-down menu. Once you've changed the image, you can edit the descriptive text below the header image to match your brand or message. To do this, hover over the text and options will appear, allowing you to customize the content. Among these options, click on the Edit Block option and the right sidebar will appear, where you can change the content, text style, and settings. This allows you to personalize the text to fit your brand's voice and tone. If needed, you can also modify the Shop Now button. To do this, hover over the button and options will appear, allowing you to customize the text, link, style, and settings. By clicking on the Edit Block option, you can change the text of the button to better suit your brand's message. Additionally, you can change the position of the sections such as text, image, and buttons simply by dragging and dropping them. This allows you to easily rearrange the layout of the header section to best showcase your brand's message and image. As you continue to customize your landing page, you'll notice two additional options on the right side of the screen: blocks and style. Blocks are pre-designed sections that can be easily added to your landing page. You can drag and drop these blocks, rearrange them, or edit their content to fit your needs. There are various types of blocks available, including text, box text, dividers, images, image groups, image cards, and more. You can place these blocks anywhere on your landing page, giving you the flexibility to create a unique layout. The Style tab, on the other hand, allows you to customize the design of your landing page by adjusting colors, fonts, and other visual elements. You can change the style of various sections, including the page, header, about us, testimonials, purchases, details, summary, footer, and more. There's a lot there, but it's pretty cool. This feature enables you to tailor your landing page to match your brand's identity and aesthetic. Once you design your landing page, you can preview it by clicking the Preview button at the top right corner of the screen, and this will give you an overview of how your landing page will look before publishing it. If you need to make any further changes, simply go back to the editor and make the necessary adjustments. When you're satisfied, click the Save and Close button, which will take you back to the main dashboard. From the main dashboard, you have two options: Finish Later and Publish. If you're ready to share your landing page with the world, click Publish. If you need more time or want to come back later, click the Finish Later button. This allows you to save your progress and return to your landing page when you're ready to continue editing or publish it. Alright, that's it for this tutorial on how to create a landing page in Mailchimp. I hope you found the video useful and learned something new. If you found the content helpful, please give it a thumbs up to show your appreciation. And if you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to comment below. I will always do my best to respond to all comments and provide helpful answers. Thank you for watching, and take care.